Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I have a project share. I used my dots and stripes foil from Echo Park that I had gotten in my design team package. And like I said, I don't want to hoard anything, so I have not ordered any of the Christmas paper for this year yet. But this was in my stash. It is a design team item, so this is what I used. I also followed a tutorial from Carol Herlock, and she had I had shared with you the Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus that I had made sharing or using her tutorial. So I did make the snowman, and here is my snowman. Mine is a little bit different on the face, whereas her face, she made the eyes a little bit different, and so mine is a little bit different. I used the dots on the from the paper pack, and I used, this is the reverse side of the dots. They're a pair, so I went ahead and covered the hat, the top and the brim, and then the scarf in the paper. And I used some orange cardstock for the nose, for the carrot nose, and I just used some circle punches for the eyes, and I did put the little twinkle in there. And then he's got some eyebrows, and I used some, I think it was spun sugar for the blush on the cheeks. And then I used a smaller punch for the mouth. Now for the top of the hat, I used a snowflake, and then this one was from last year, and then this one is from this year's snowflakes at Dollar Tree. So that one I thought stacked up nicely. And here's a closer look at the face. So adorable. And then on the scarf, I used some ribbon from Dollar Tree, the styrofoam snowflake, and then a plastic one that I had again in my stash, some greenery and some berries. And again, I just used the original hanging element. This is a snowman that I have made using Carol's tutorial. So I just loved him. So of course, you know me, I gotta have a pair. I went ahead and made a Mrs. Snowman. So this is the man, and let me show you the lady that I made, his partner. And here she is. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. So as you can see, again, I have reversed the scarf so they could face this way. And for hers, all I did was round the back of the hat to make hers into a different type of hat, you know, like a granny hat, if you will. So hers is round, and I use some just some, you know, Dollar Tree, just Chanel yarn for the little poof on the top. And then right here, this is a flower that I did get in my design team package, and these are, I can't say enough good things about the flowers that they carry. So I did use the flower and some leaves and a couple of sprigs for the brim of her hat. And I did the same for the face, although she has eyelashes and he doesn't. It makes her look more feminine versus the Mr. Snowman that doesn't have eyelashes. And then on her scarf, I did the same with the greenery, the berries, and the bow and the snowflakes. So that was my take on her tutorial using my supplies from ASC Crafts, and I hope you get inspired to make one because they are so much fun. Oh, and you can see her blush went on a little heavier than his because she's a female. She's supposed to have more blush. So anyway, that was my project share for today. I hope you have enjoyed it because I had so much fun. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.